Today I will show you how to make a high-speed Kenji Trackmaster 2. You don't need to buy expensive motor or tuned motor. What you can do is get a non-working train. I'm gonna show you. I always use spare parts from other engines, so I'm gonna show you how to get the motor from this Trackmaster one. When you apply 3 volts to these motors, they go twice speed, so you can make your Trackmaster 2 a high-speed engine or train, bullet train. Okay, I know for sure this train is rusty. What I mean is it has battery corrosion inside. So I will show you the process how to make a high-speed Kenji. Let's do it. Now we gotta swap the worm gear to this motor to make it work. You know what? I got a spare worm gear right here, so I'm not going to bother to remove that one. I will save that one for maybe another project, but I'm gonna use this one. Do you think it's fast now? I think so. Let's see him in action. Let's put it on the tracks. Alright, so we have here our modified high-speed Kenji, and to compare the speed, we're gonna unbox one more Kenji. We're gonna unbox this Kenji and compare the speed side by side. Actually, I don't have so many tracks, so I'm gonna put in one behind the other one. Okay, let's see them running. Alright, so the first round is going to be our new unboxed Kenji, and then on the second round will be our modified high-speed Kenji. Let's see. Alright, now the high-speed Kenji. Wow, 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 wow. I think it's too fast. Oh, the rail. So I think that we have a new high-speed Kenji out of old Trackmaster motor. That's the easy way to get a high-speed Kenji. You don't need to buy expensive motor. So now I will turn on the normal Kenji, and I'm gonna put behind the fast-speed Kenji. Okay, let's see. Whoa! Too fast. Alright guys, so don't buy a tuned electric motor. Just get a spare all or non-working Trackmaster 1 engine and get the electric motor from it. So that's how you can get a high-speed Trackmaster 2 Kenji or other engines. Alright, hope you guys like it, and see you next video.